CarePeeps has a diary function that helps you to track your vital signs over time. To set it up, we go to the dashboard and tap the expansion menu. Then we tap Manage Reminders and Manage Vitals. This brings us to the Vitals Diary page. The next thing we want to do is to tap the blue button at the bottom to create a reminder. Here we can create a reminder for vitals. The first thing we'll want to do is to give it a name, like morning blood pressure. Also the number of entries we expect. In this case, we'll say 1. The next thing we want to do is to match the vital type, blood pressure. And the last thing we want to do is to set up our entry and ending times. We can use the clock feature for that purpose. Once that's in, we can tap Done to be finished. And this shows us that we've created a morning blood pressure entry for 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Next, just tap the back arrow, and that brings us to the dashboard. Now let's make some entries into our vitals diary. The first option that we have is to use voice, and to do that we just tap the voice button. This brings us to the dialog box to let us know that CarePeeps is listening. CarePeeps does not require you to enter your blood pressure with any specific command. You can say, my blood pressure is stable, it's 110/90, and what CarePeeps will pick up is blood pressure 110/90. Now hit save. Your other option is to make a manual entry. Just tap the vitals box. That brings you to your vitals entry page, and just tap the blue button, add a vitals entry. Here you can choose the vital that you want to enter. We'll say blood pressure. And then we can enter in our numbers and tap save. CarePeeps will actually chart your entries over time. To see your charting, just tap on the expansion menu, go to My Reports, and tap on blood pressure. And what you'll find is a blood pressure chart that shows your diastolic and systolic numbers over the period of time that you provided entries.